Good morning, this is Matthew from COP Technical Support, and in today's short video, I'm just going to outline the different ways that we can set the time and date on a version 5 recorder. So, looking at the front end of our NVR 5.0, we're going to navigate to System Settings, which should land us into System Configuration, and then just to the right-hand side of Basic Information, we'll have Time Configuration. This is the page as default. It'll start off on manual time sync with our time zone being set to GMT plus 8. Clicking in the system time, if we're set to manual time sync, will allow us to set the time ourselves, as well as the date to the correct time and date. But what this won't allow us to do is turn on daylight savings time, which means that come early spring or winter, our recorder will shift to either being an hour ahead or an hour behind. So what we're going to do instead to avoid that is click on NTP time sync. And then we can see that it suggests us 3 different time servers. So we'll go with time.google.com, which is auto-filled. We don't need to change any of the NTP server ports, and we're just going to click test to make sure that works and it can connect to the time server. And we can see that's successful. So we still need to manually adjust our time zone. So here we're going to be GMT plus 0. What I'm going to do there is give that a save. Now we'll see that the time that it set the recorder to is 13 minutes past 9, which is not correct. It's currently 14 minutes past 10. So what we need to do is enable our DST, our daylight savings time. Because we've set our time zone, it will automatically fill the details to be correct for that time zone. So March, last Sunday at 1 a.m., and then DST ends October, last Sunday at 2 a.m. with a 60-minute bias. So then if we give that a save, and then we can still see there it says 9:13, but if we leave the page and come back, there we are, 10:14:35, which is the time as of now. Thank you very much for watching today.